Hi, my name's Shona and I'm a scientist at Procter Gamble. You may have heard of Procter Gamble before, and if you haven't, you probably will have heard of one of our products. Procter Gamble make a wide range of household goods, such as laundry powder, toothpaste, nappies and makeup.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm also a scientist at Procter Gamble, and I work in the research and development area of the company. Research and development is understanding what the consumer wants and needs and delivering a product to meet these needs. Both Shona and I work in the hair colourant category, working on brands such as Nice and Easy and Perfect 10 for Wella and Colorant. So why do some people use hair colour? Well, some people like to use it for dramatic effect, while others, just like my mum, use it to cover their greys.
There are three components in a hair colourant: the tint, the colour developer, and the conditioner. When the tint and developer are mixed together, this initiates the chemistry reactions. The colour developer contains hydrogen peroxide, which lightens the natural colour of the hair, ready for the new colour to be applied. When the hydrogen peroxide is mixed with the tint, the chemistry reactions begin. The tint contains dye molecules, which will enter the hair, creating the final colour. The other important ingredient in the tint is the ammonia. The ammonia will cause the pH of the hair, which is usually acidic, around pH 5, to rise to an alkali pH of around 10. This causes the hair to swell, which allows the dye molecules to enter and get trapped inside the hair, giving the hair a bright and permanent colour. The conditioner contains caring actives, including silicons, which surround the hair, giving it a silky feeling. These silicons are polymers, which are long-chain molecules. As you can see, when I first mixed the tint and the developer, the product was colourless. As the chemistry reactions have occurred, the colour has formed, as it would do when the product was applied to your hair.
When we have created our final colour, to meet the consumer demand, we take this and test this in our global salons on different hair types using real people. The exciting thing about our jobs is seeing the science theory we learned at school and university coming to life in products used in homes every day.